So here is my 100cc Husqvarna saw. It's a 2100 CD. It's a little bit of an older saw, but it's got a lot more torque. And here's the Granberg Alaskan mill. The bar I have in the saw right now is a 32 inch with a ripping chain. It goes through the cedar like no problem. can see when I was running this saw, you could see the guide rails here were not sitting flat always on the wood. You got to make sure you pay attention to make sure you get them as tight as the wood as you can. Obviously, if one comes up a little bit, you're going to have a little bit of a crooked board. Sometimes it'll want to lift up one end, and you just got to make sure you push it back down and keep this as tight as possible. I've adjusted my push handle here to be, I cut a lot. Usually I cut smaller boards, so I've kept it up quite a bit tighter. But this board I'm cutting, it was 24 inches wide at the widest spot. Obviously my saw will not do, if I flip it sideways, it was 28 inches. So I cut it 24 inches from here to here. I could have cut it sideways, but that was 28 inches and my saw won't do that big. So this way I'll get more boards, they'll just be narrower. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to smash the like button down below and hit subscribe for more chainsaw and outdoor videos to come. Catch you on the next one.